Mr. Johnson, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Miss Danielle Stewart, are you ready? You can take your mic off of mute.
Yes.
Okay, this is cause number 138050. The case is styled the state of Texas, well, in the matter of Danielle Nicole Stewart. The court has before it, in this case, a petition for a non-disclosure under section 411.073 of the Texas Government Code. And we have Danielle Stewart. Now, Ms. Stewart, can you take your, can you turn your video on? Okay, Ms. Stewart, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Stewart, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Stewart?
I'm doing all right today. How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Stewart, you filed this petition for order of non-disclosure under section 411.073 of the Texas Government Code. And you are representing yourself. We normally refer to it as being pro se. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the state is present by Assistant District Attorney Lamar Johnson. Attorney Johnson, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's good. Now, Ms. Stewart, in this petition that you filed, you're requesting for non-disclosure. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And that is, according to this petition, is in a case, a criminal case that was in County Court Law number 2, and that cause number is it's cause number 308080. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Ms. Stewart, would you like to go forward on your case? Just tell the court why the court should grant this petition for non-disclosure.
Yes, sir. I was young. I did do it. At that time, I didn't even know that I could get a court-appointed lawyer. At that time, also, I was representing myself. I didn't know anything about justified probation where I could get it from off my record or anything. I went up in there thinking that, I don't know, just trying to get it over with. They gave me probation. I finished probation. I've haven't had any other trouble with the laws or anything. I just haven't been able to get a good job. So.
Okay, so State, do you have any comments?
Your Honor, excuse me, Your Honor, the state is not, I've reviewed the petition for non-disclosure. I have no objections now to the petition, nor what Ms. Stewart has said so far.
Okay, now, Ms. Stewart, the court is going to take judicial notice of the court's file, the criminal file, which is in cause number 308080 and cause number 306608. The court is going to take judicial notice of those cases that was filed in County Court Law number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. And the court will note that in those cases, Ms. Stewart, the court finds that a judgment in cause number 308080, and that judgment was entered on August 4th of 2015. At that time, you was sentenced to 1 year in the state 1 year in the county jail, however, that was probated for 2 years. And the court will also note in that court's file that on August 4th of 2017, which was after the completion of the 2 years probation, this court signed a discharge of community supervision, basically saying that you had satisfactorily completed your probation. In this case, at that time, the probation had expired. And the court will also note that as part of the plea bargain in that case, clause number 306608, which was a misdemeanor case, was also dismissed. So the court will find that okay. Yeah, the court will find that you filed this petition on September 23rd of 2022. The state was given notice of this petition and an opportunity to request a hearing. They did not request a hearing. The court will also find that the court has conducted a hearing on this date of October 27th of 2022. And after considering and hearing, the court finds that the defendant is entitled to file a petition for order of non-disclosure under the section 411.073 of the Texas Government Code. And the court finds that this petition meets all the requirements for the non-disclosure in section 411.073. And at this time, the court will sign an order of non-disclosure in this case. Now, Ms. Stewart, the court has an order that was attached to this file. The court also has another order that the court believes that is more in line with what's required by the state, and so the court is going to sign that order today. State, do you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
And just for the record, the court also finds that the issuance of the order is in the best interest of justice. So at this time, Ms. Danielle Nicole Stewart, congratulations. The court will be signing the non-disclosure. This will conclude your case. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day. You should be able to get copies of this order if you need it from the county clerk's office in Jefferson County, Texas.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, and you have a blessed day.
You too.
All right, and this will conclude this hearing.